Install Android 8.1 Oreo on Mi A1 via LineageOS 15.1. Please check the description for important notes and download links. Step 1. First download LineageOS 15.1 ROM and GApps packages, then transfer the downloaded files to the phone's storage. Step 2. Boot your device into TWRP recovery. Step 3. Once in TWRP, go to Wipe, Advanced Wipe, and select the checkboxes as shown in the image, excluding internal storage. Step 4. Swipe the button to wipe the device. Step 5. Go back to the recovery main screen, and tap on the Install button. Step 6. Navigate to the storage, and select the ROM zip file. Step 7. Finally swipe the button on the screen, to install LineageOS 15.1. Step 8. Flash the GApps zip package in the same manner. Step 9. When the flashing process is complete, hit Reboot System. That's it, you have successfully installed the ROM on your device.